Darshit from Lead Connect, and in this video I'm going to show you how you could integrate your Lead Connect account with your HubSpot CRM. So the very first thing you need to do is go to Lead Connect integrations. So for that, click over here on the extension and click on integrations. Once you are inside the integrations, you will see the HubSpot integration. I already have done my integration, so you could see that my portal ID and API key are already here. But let me just show you where you could find these things inside your HubSpot CRM. So first you need to go to the HubSpot CRM. This is my CRM's contact page. Here you need to go to settings, and under settings there will be integrations, and then click on API. Once you are here, you need to click on show. So it will give you a little captcha over here. You need to fill this captcha, and it will give you the API key. You need to copy this, paste it over here inside the HubSpot API key. The next thing is the portal ID. So you could find your portal ID over here. So this is your portal ID. You need to type it down, or this is your same portal ID is here in the URL on the top. So you could just copy it from over here and paste it here. Once you save the changes, you will see a little option for owner ID. By default there is no option for this, but once you save the API configurations, the Lead Connect will go inside your HubSpot CRM and search for all your teammates, and it will bring you all your teammates here. So whoever is going to use the Lead Connect from your team could select the owner ID, and the contacts in your CRM will be created under that name. So every Lead Connect account could have a different owner ID. And then there is a switch over here, a toggle switch, which indicates an automation. So if you want to create a new contact inside your HubSpot CRM, whenever a prospect has accepted your invitation, you need to flip the switch on, and it will automatically create the contact whenever there is an acceptance. Now these are the things which you need to do, and click on save to save the changes. Once again, let me just show you how the contact will look like once it is created inside the CRM. So you could go to contacts, and contacts created by Lead Connect will look like this. So you could just there are those two properties that we create inside the CRM. One of them is the Lead Connect sequence, and the another one is the contact source. So all the contacts with the source called LinkedIn will be created using Lead Connect. So if you want to create a filter for the contacts which were created using Lead Connect, you could just apply the property contact source is equal to LinkedIn, and it will show all the contacts which were created using Lead Connect. The other thing would be Lead Connect sequences. So if you only want to filter out the prospects which were created inside your CRM from a particular sequence, you could again create a filter by the sequence name equals to the name of the sequence, and it will pop up all the prospects which were created from a particular sequence. Now so let me just go inside this prospect, and there you could see that the message or the follow-up message which I sent was created here as the contact notes. It will give the name that who has sent this message. Right now the follow-up was sent to you from my account, so it is showing you that Darshit send the follow-up message, thanks for connecting. If there is a response from your prospect, it will be saved under his name, and that would be the response by his name. So this was all about the HubSpot integration. The other thing about his integration is that we also provide you with a profile grabber option. So if let's say that a person has not accepted your invitation and you want to grab his profile and put all the data from his profile to your to your HubSpot CRM, so you just need to go to that person's profile and just open somebody random. Let me just after foragers, and yeah, let me just his profile. So let's say that I want to grab all the profile info which is there on his profile and make sure that the chat with I am having with this person, she has not accepted my invitation, so she will not her contact will not be created inside the HubSpot. So just need to make sure that all the chat which we are having is being posted there. So to grab his profile info, what you need to do is you need to click over here on the extension, and once you click over here you can see a drop down over here with all the profile info. Let's say that you want to find for his work email ID, you could use any of the email finding API tools, and there would be a work email ID over here. Then you need to click on prospects to push this data to your HubSpot CRM, and when we go inside our CRM and click on refresh, you could see that a contact has been created by her name, and all the things are been there. So this was it about the Lead Connect and HubSpot integration. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, you could just drop us a message over here on our support chatbot, and we will be there for your assistance. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.